These are the worker bees. This is the male one.
Yeah, the drone.
The drone.
Akiwa na aibu sana kumuona mpaka unamvizia. Utamuona ukimtafuta huko.
Now, bees are insects. The life cycle is egg, larva, adult, egg, larva, pupa, and adult. So this is the pupa stage. This is the larval stage. This is, of course, the adult stage. And where are the eggs? Eggs you can see here inside. There's a very small white string-like thing. That is the egg. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this, of course, is honey, and this is capped honey.
Yeah.
The bees have capped it. Now this is the best honey. Actually, this honey should be extracted and sent for packing. These boxes have been devised. I have designed them.
Umeona nilichokuwa nakwambia? Ipi? Hiyo ya kuwa cup. Kuwa? Yaani asali ambayo imekomaa inakuwa cup ndio unavuna.
Inakuwa cup. Can you explain?
Ndio ameonyesha.
Kwamba ili iweze kuvunwa. Ili iweze kuvunwa.
This is actually a synthesis of the Langstroth hive and the top bar hive that you use in Africa. I'm using only a frame and inducing them to make the comb. I'll give you another one. See, I have not given them anything else. It is only they are making themselves. So when you have to take the honey, you will have to cut them off, squeeze them, and extract the honey. But then when you are squeezing them, there would be no eggs nor larva in the frames. How? I'll tell you why. No, you don't remove the larva. This is how you do it. See, this is a 3-layered box. Now these two stages, these two areas are for the bees, for the queen to lay eggs. And then we have a queen excluder on top of this. So queen will not come up. Okay. And these frames will have only honey. There would be no eggs, no larva, no pupa. So when you squeeze it, no fluid from the larva or the eggs goes into the honey. And this is top cover. When you are transporting the bees, this is for ventilation. This is for ventilation.
Why did you cover it with why did you paint the red and black color?
Just to make it more attractive. There's absolutely no reason why it should be painted in any color. It could be white, it could be red, it could be yellow, any color. Then there are these ventilation holes, and that is a entry exit point that you see here. The landing platform is at an angle of 30 degrees because bees always fly and come at this angle. So if it is straight, they'll have some difficulty. This is the best angle for them to land. If you have to give them feed anytime, you can give them feed from here, because there are certain times when there is no nectar flow and you have to feed the bees. So you feed the bees honey, you can put honey from here and they'll take it. normally what we do is, in those Langstroth hives, we give them a foundation sheet. This is the foundation sheet, which has the impressions of the worker bees. On this they raise the comb. Now in these boxes, we are not giving any foundation sheets. It is natural, without much human intervention. Let the bees do, because they know what they have to do.
Do you also sell honeycombs?
I will be selling honeycombs. I'll be selling comb honey now. I'll show you the comb honey, because that is the most refined form of beekeeping.
Yeah.
So I have a box down there where I'm producing comb honey, just on an experimental and demonstration basis. So I'll show you that.
Thank you.
Is that for which type of beehive?
The Langstroth.
This is for Langstroth, those frames.
You should add the frame.
So which ones are you using at your
A mixture of Langstroth and local top bars.
You are using top bar hives. So top bar would be a single bar there, and the design would be slightly triangular of the box. Now this is basically a combination of both, because there also bees are making it naturally. You are not using any foundation, or are you? You are giving them a guide to raise the comb.
We just only have a small line drawn on the.
That is also not required. What I do is, I'll show you. Sorry. I'm only giving them a small beeswax here.
Yes.
Then they are raising it.
Yes, we put them.
And you don't have to put a strip of wood also. They will raise it themselves naturally.
I'll be very technical. Even technical.
I pack it and sell it. This is unprocessed. I have not heated it. It is only vacuum. It is only gravity filtered.
Not eaten.
What is the price per liter?
Wild thyme is expensive honey, because there are no producers in India. There are only 12-13 producers in New Zealand and few in Turkey. So this is 700 rupees a kg.
7
100
rupees a
Very
kg.
expensive, yeah.
1 kilo.
I have this honey. I have in India. Nobody else has this honey in India. And this is from heights of 4,000 meters, which is 13,000 feet. I'll show you on the net
okay.
where I get it from.
And this one, how many kgs this
This is
package
half kg.
Half kg.
I have
So
a
you
packing
sell it for 350, right?
generally. Yes.
Kata picha.
These are the details that are mandatory. The composition, but the composition